Hello everyone. So for today, I'll be teaching you how to install Google Chrome on your Windows 10 PC. So when you log into your PC, the first browser that is already installed is the Microsoft Edge. So let's open this one and then go to google.com, and then here look for Google Chrome download, and then click download now. Then this will show up, and then click download Chrome. So it will show you this one. Thanks for downloading. And then once it is already finished, you just click open or go to your downloads folder and look for the installer. So here's select yes. Then this installer will connect to the internet and download Google Chrome. So it may take some time. It depends on your internet speed. Yeah. So waiting to install, then installing. Wait for the it to finish installing. And once you're finished installing, Chrome will automatically open. And so if you want your Chrome to open directly to Incognito, not with this one, so right click the shortcut on your desktop, go to properties, and then at the end, add dash incognito. Then click apply, then continue, then click OK. So then if you open the Chrome, it will be default to um, incognito already. So if you drag this one, then click it, it will already appear inside incognito or in the incognito mode. So that's all, guys. I hope you learned something. Thank you.